Our team works hard to ensure our clients are satisfied, so we love it when our clients provide feedback in the form of a review. It's great validation that we're on the right track. A happy customer that leaves a review like this online ends up being a repeat customer, and that's what motivates our staff and team to serve you better. We strive hard to achieve great reviews like this. It's inspiring, and a new customer who reads 5-star reviews is a wise customer because we stand behind our guarantee of 5-star customer service. So, whether you're somebody we haven't seen in a while or new to us, we value all customers, new and old, and treat them equally with great customer service. So thank you for stopping by. Contact us today and check out what we have to offer.